আমি তোদের কাউকে কি কোনো এক্সট্রা পাওয়ার দিতে পারবো, মানে অ্যাডমিন টাইপের কিছু করা যায় না কাউকে না?
করা যায়, মানে আমি রিকোয়েস্ট করলে তুই করতে পারিস। আচ্ছা, তোদের কাছে কারোর কাছে এটার ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড আছে তো ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডটা প্রেজেন্ট করে দে না, এমনি কেমন লাগছে।
হ্যাঁ, অন্য কেউ একটা করে দে, আমার তো হবে না।
আমাকে
ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড প্রেজেন্ট
ফটোটা
বলতে?
পাঠা, আমাকে ফটোটা পাঠা না, আমি করে দিচ্ছি।
সায়ন্তন তো মিটিং লিভ করলো।
আর ইউটিউবে গান ফান বা কিছু চালিয়ে দে একটা।
হুম, করাই যায়।
হেভি দেখে কিছু একটা চালাতো।
কেউ একটা এটা করে দেবে।
হ্যাঁ,
ওয়ান পার্টিসিপেন্ট জাস্ট এন্টার। বিটটা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে দেবো।
হ্যাঁ, দে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে দে। একটু ডিলে আছে রে, ঠিক আছে।
কেউ পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি বিতান।
হুম, দেখছি।
4 participants are here. We'll wait for another 2. Hopefully they'll come by 6.
দেখাচ্ছে? স্লাইডশোই করি, স্লাইডশোই থাকবে এটা।
Hello everyone, can you hear me? Hello,
Yes.
participants. Yeah, okay. So if you want to share this, actually you are broadcasting this on Facebook Live. So if you want to share it with your friends, the link will be given here in the chat. Vitan, please forward the link.
Yes, 1 minute. Link has been provided in your chat box. You can share it if you want.
So I guess only one participant is left to enter.
So I think every participant is here now. We should start.
Okay, yeah, Shattik has come. So okay. Yeah, okay.
Let's do the draw, right? First.
Yeah, let's start the draw.
Okay, just the seat numbers will be drawn at random. So
Sure.
just team A to F will be selected at random. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so can you see my screen? Okay, so that the order. You can see it, right? The order.
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah,
Yes,
so please write it down, maybe Uttaran.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't think I'll be able to.
Okay.
I'll put it in chat. Okay, so it's in chat. And everyone, please note your player numbers. It should come in handy.
So hello everyone, welcome to Mathletics. So this is an online quiz. Okay, I will request you to guys keep a pen and a paper in front of you if you need for calculation and stuff. We are not able to provide that, sorry. Okay. Okay, first we will start by, please introduce yourselves one by one. Okay, I will start with Team A, Shartik. Please introduce yourself with college and...
Yes, hello. I'm from RKMRC, second year statistics.
Yeah, use the full form better. Use the full form better.
Oh, Ramakrishna Mission Residential College.
Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you. And then Team B, Shrey, please.
Good evening. Shrey Ramanujam. I'm from Vanshi Manthan Vidyashram School, and I'm in class 11th.
Oh, nice. Okay. Thank you. Okay, then Team C, Anita.
Hi, I'm Anita Valyapan from Chennai as well. I'm currently a third year BSc Maths student from MO Pathasarthi Iyengar Vaishnav College.
Okay, okay, thanks. Okay, now Team D, Moitreya.
Good evening. I'm Moitreya Bhattacharya. I'm a first year undergraduate student at Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science, Patna.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Team E, Moinak.
Hello, my name is Moinak Roy. I am a student of Soktinagar High School at Krishnanagar.
Nice. Okay. Team F, Shashank.
Good evening. My name is Shashank and I am pursuing BSc Math Honours from Graphikara University. I am in third year.
Okay, okay, thank you. Nice. Okay. So Shrey is the youngest over here, I think. Yeah, okay. So I hope you guys are ready, or I will just wait for 4 minutes and start at 6 as was scheduled. Just wait a sec. Yeah? And I hope there is no problem you are facing with the internet connections and all. If yes, then please speak up. Who are using mobile for this Google Meet and laptop? Please, if you could mention. Team A, what are you using?
I'm using a phone.
Okay, Team B, Shrey.
I'm using a laptop.
Okay, Team C, Anita.
I'm using my laptop.
Oh, Team D, Maitreya.
Mobile phone.
Okay, Team E, Moinak.
Laptop.
Okay, Team F, Shashank.
Using laptop.
Okay, thank you.
So two of them are using mobiles. I think we should change our blitz plan.
We had decided of doing that blitz on, means, you know, you don't have a buzzer over here. So I had planned of doing it, messaging on the chat box, but I hope those who are using the phone will have a trouble with that. I guess, yes. Is that so? Phone Shatik and...
No, if we could say the answer in the speaker.
Yes,
instead of-
No, but we don't have a proof, right? We won't have a proof who is saying at first or second, right? That would be a problem.
We should change that round into like
So,
super
yeah, so
simple round.
yeah.
It's okay. We could also type. I think we don't have a problem.
you're with...
yes, yes,
Yeah, sure.
yes, yes.
Okay, another using, right, Moitra, I guess, you are okay with that? Fine.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay, so I'll start sharing my screen now. Yeah, and start with the questions at 6.
Yeah.
Okay, Shuman will be keeping the scores for you, Shuman Shaha. Okay. Okay, I will just introduce ourselves. At first, I will start with myself. Okay. Okay, now Shanta is screen. He is Masters second. Okay. Shuman Shaha is from Hyderabad Central University Statistics. He was also from second year. Masters. He'll be keeping the scores. And Anik Bhowmick, he's from IIT Madras. He will be hosting. Okay. He's also from second year maths. Okay.
Okay. So it's already 5:59. So let's wait for 1 minute and then we will start Mathletics
That's good,
2020.
You can see everything, right? You can read whatever is in the screen.
What happened with Anita? She left.
Participants, please confirm.
Okay, Anita. Okay, fine. You're not having any problem, right, Anita?
No, I don't have any problem. I don't know why.
Okay. No, you left suddenly. That's why. Okay, fine.
Everyone can read whatever in the screen, right? Please, the participants should confirm.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So I will
Yeah.
request Anik to start.
Yeah. So,
Okay. Are you ready? Guys, are you ready, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's get started. Fine.
Okay.
Anik, please.
Yeah. So the first round is it's round 0. So it is called Say My Name. So you have to guess the name of a famous mathematician from the hints given. There will be 3 hints in total, given at an interval of 30 seconds. So you will have 30 seconds to answer after each hint. We will go from player A to player F. The drawer in the chat. So you will be see to your team names, and if you guess correctly after the ith hint, you will get 20 minus 5 by points. I mean, if you correctly guess the mathematician's name after the first hint, you will get 15, and if you wanna use the second hint, you will get 10 if you give it the correct answer, and if you wanna use the third hint and you are successful, then you will get 5 points, and if you don't make any guesses or guess incorrectly, then you will get 0. I mean, if at any stage if you give the wrong answer, you will get 0, and there is no bonus points.
They can stick to their final answer. Whatever is their final answer will be awarded. They can make a wrong guess first. That's fine.
Okay, so you can guess a wrong answer. I mean, you can make a wrong guess, and then you can stick to the final answer. So, and there is no elimination in this round, and there will be no passing, I think. Yeah.
So we have to type the answer in this
No.
chat box,
Just
right?
read.
Just speak up.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
So
so
please remember your player numbers. Okay, every time it is not possible to call you by names.
can you
Okay, so,
show me the first question?
Okay, let's start.
Okay, so question 1.
Okay, clear.
Yeah. So the first hint is, I am an Indian mathematician born in Kanpur in 1923. I was initially a physics student and later gravitated towards mathematics. I was a member of the National Academy of Sciences and a fellow of the Royal Society. I was also a recipient of the Padma Bhushan in 1977. Your time starts now. Hello, team
Okay,
A.
so, the next hint.
Okay, so
I
yeah.
think is it Harishchandra? Because
Okay, so your answer is Harishchandra. We will follow.
Okay, so hello. So
Yeah, so your answer is Harishchandra after hint 1.
yeah. So will you stick to the I mean this answer?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, so let's move to the answer, Shantan. Okay, so team A is correct, and he will be awarded 15 marks. Congrats.
Okay, so just I think I'm having some problems with the.
Okay,
With the timer thing.
Shantan, are you facing any problem with the timer, right? Okay.
Okay, let's go to question 2.
Okay.
Okay, you have to answer one within the time. Okay. Yeah.
Player B ready?
Okay, player B.
Yes.
Okay. So the first hint is I am a French mathematician born on 5th October 1973. I am a professor at the University de Lyon. I have been the director of Henri Poincaré Institute in Paris since 2009. Also, I was an En Marche politician party candidate for the 2017 French legislative election. This question is for team B. Yeah. When I was 36 of age, I won Fields Medal. I also received knighthood under Legion of Honor in 2011. Hint 3. I am called the Spider-Man of mathematics and also called Lady Gaga of mathematics.
I don't have an answer.
Okay, so show the answer. It is Cedric Villani. So team B, unfortunately there are no marks for it. So Shantan, can you show the third question for team C? Okay, so the first hint is I am a lady mathematician and a German national. So hint 2. I have performed more works in the field of algebra.
Is it Emmy Noether?
Do you want to stick with this answer?
Yes.
Okay, Shantan, can you show the answer?
13th. 13th.
You can change it up to 13. You can take your time. Sticking to Noether?
No.
So what's your final answer?
Emmy Noether.
Okay, so show the answer. Yeah, it is Emmy Noether. So okay, you have guessed it in the
10
hint
points.
2.
10.
So it will be 10.
Yeah.
So Shanton, can you move to the fourth question for team D? So I was born in France 5th March 1827. I lived during the reign of Napoleon. As a scholar and a polymath, I am sometimes referred to as the Newton of France. This is for team D. I was one of the first mathematicians to postulate the existence of black holes and the notion of gravitational collapse.
Can I give my answer on the first sheet?
Sorry?
No, just into just.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can your answer.
I could have said in
Mechanic Celeste is one of my prominent works.
So my final answer is Pierre-Simon Laplace, which I had told after the first.
Okay, so show the answer. Yeah, so it is the correct answer, and you have given it in the first hint, so you will be awarded 15 points. Shantan, please show the fifth question for team E. I was an English mathematician known for my achievements in number theory and mathematical analysis. I am also known for a basic principle of population genetics. This is for team E.
Hardy. G.H. Hardy. Hello?
Okay.
Hello?
Hello. Yeah. You are
Hardy,
audible.
Hardy.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
are
fine.
audible.
Let's wait for the next hint. Yeah.
Yeah. An essay written by me is often considered to be one of the best insight into the mind of a working mathematician written for the layperson.
I am sticking with my answer.
Okay. I was the mentor of Srinivasa Ramanujan.
G.H. Hardy.
So Shantan, show the answer. Okay, so it's the absolute correct answer, and you will be awarded 15 marks for giving it after the first hint. Congrats. Shantan, can you show the sixth question for team F? Yeah. I am a French mathematician who laid the foundation of group theory. My 209th birthday is approaching. This is for team F, Shashank. I introduced the concepts of like normal subgroups, finite field, which is also known by my name. In my teens, I solved a problem which was unsolved for 350 years. And I was killed in a duel. I mean,
I don't know the answer.
Okay. So Anton, show the answer. It's Everest Galois. He was a celebrated mathematician. So Team F, you will be awarded 0 for giving no answer. So hello Shumon.
Yes.
Can you tell the scorecard after the first round?
Yes, sure. Team A 15, Team B 0, Team C 10, Team D 15, Team F 15, and Team G 0.
Okay. So this is the
Wait, just a sec. Just wait.
Okay.
Wait. Suman, I guess you have named them wrong. It's D, E, and F. Okay. I'm right.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Okay. Oh, sorry. I actually missed to introduce Bitan also. He is actually conducting this Facebook Live thing. Okay. So, we move on to the next round. So now the ordering will be actually, we will start from team F, then E and D, and that's okay. That way we'll go.
From the
And
backward.
okay, the Anik, yeah. So Anik, just tell the rules and all. Okay.
Yeah. Shantan, show the.
Sir,
Yeah.
the point of round 1 is counted, or it is just.
Yeah, it is counted.
Okay.
Yes, it's counted.
Everything except the tiebreakers will be counted.
Okay, so here comes the round 1. Everyone will face 2 problems in total. First, we will go. Here it is. We will go from player F to player A, and then we will start from player A to player F. Is it clear to everyone? I mean, we have changed these rules a bit. We will start from player F to player A at first. Okay, so for every question you will get 2 minutes, and if you can't solve it, then you can pass it to your next participant, and they will get 15 seconds to answer the question, and you will get 10 points for correct answer in your own question. 5 points for correct answer in past question. I mean, if it is the question of team F, then if team F can give the correct answer, he will get 10 marks, and if he can't solve it, then anyone from other participants will get 5 points if they can give correct answer, and after this round there will be just one elimination. The participant who will have the lowest point, adding semi name and round 1's marks, the participant having the lowest mark will be eliminated. So Shayantan, please, is everyone clear with this rules?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Shantan, please show the first question for team F. Yeah. Given that a system of n linear equations that has 0 as a solution also has a non-trivial rational solution, how many integer solutions does the system have? Option A 0, option B infinitely many, option C depends on n, option D not enough information. So team F is unable to give the solution in the due time, so we will pass it to team E.
Hello.
Hello.
Um, I think the number will be option A.
Why is that?
Because when n is equal to 2, I am actually considering only special case. So when n is equal to 2, the two straight line can passes through origin, but it has no other solutions other than 0.
No, I said that there is another solution. There is another solution. Rational.
Yeah, there is a non-trivial rational solution other than 0.
Because the 15 seconds have passed. Next question, next time.
Yeah, to team C. I mean team D. Sorry.
The solutions are there.
You can pass immediately if you don't know.
Yeah, 15 seconds is over for
Pass.
team C. For team C.
I think it will depend on what n is.
Can you
Option
justify
C.
your answer?
Yeah, because we've been given that 0 is a solution already, and the other solution, the other non-trivial solution is rational. So we can't be really sure whether there is another integer solution unless we have any information on n, whether it's even or odd or whatever.
That's the wrong answer.
Yeah, that is a wrong answer. To team B.
I think it's D. Not enough information. Because if there's more n, the solutions could either be rational or irrational. There's no way to say. So you can't say how many integer solutions there are.
A.
No. Team A.
No, I can't answer this.
Okay, Shantan, can you show the solution? Okay, it is answer B.
Okay, next, move on, please.
Okay. Yeah. Let's move to the next question.
Team
This is
D.
for team E. This is for team E, Moinak. Yeah. Suppose G is the quotient group Q mod Z. Suppose n be any natural number, then is there a cyclic subgroup of order n? Option A, not necessarily. B, yes, a unique one. Option C, yes, but not necessarily unique. Option D, never.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Actually, actually I don't have any concept about group.
Okay.
Means a high school student. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
So, do you wanna pass this question to your next participant?
Yes.
Okay. So, to team E, I mean team D, Maitreyo, you are up.
My answer is B. Yes, a unique one.
Why is that?
We know that for any natural n, the order of 1 by n is n, and so we know that there is one cyclic subgroup, and we prove that this is unique, and we now take two cyclic subgroups if a by b plus z belongs to all the rationals q by z, and if an order of a by b of q by z equal to n, then n into a by b belongs to z, implies that n is equal to bq where k belongs to the integer. Thus, a by b is equal to ak by n belongs to 1 by n plus z, and this gives the uniqueness.
Okay. Okay. So, Shantan, can you show the answer? Okay. So, it's the correct answer, and team D, Maitreyo, will get 5 marks. So, Shantan, let's move to the next question for team D. Yeah, question 3. If f is from 01 to 03, I mean closed interval 01 to open interval 03 is a continuous mapping, then which of the following is not true? Option A, capital F is a subset of closed 01, is a closed set, implies f of capital F is closed in R. If f is f of 0 is less than f of 1, then f of closed interval 0 comma 1 is equal to closed interval f of 0 comma f of 1. There must exist x belong in 0 comma 1 such that fx equals to x, and f of option D is f of closed interval 0 comma 1 is not equals to open interval 0 comma 1.
Time's up.
Yeah. So the question will be passed to team C.
So
Anika.
my answer is C.
He has an answer. He has an answer.
Okay, okay,
C.
okay.
My answer is C.
Why is that?
If we take gx is equal to fx minus x, and then we apply, then we find, first we find g of 0 and g of 1, and then we will find that there is a fixed point. So from that we can say that is equal to x.
Okay, Shantan, let's.
So my answer is C.
Should I see? Should I show the answer?
Yeah. Uh,
Anik, is your internet having any issues?
There's pass in this round, right?
Yeah. Anik, what are you doing, man? Is your internet having any issues?
yeah, there is a bit issue. Okay, now it is fixed. Okay, yeah. So I think this option is wrong. I mean, uh, the question is wrong, I guess, because
What did he answer? What?
he
What?
answered C.
So there will be passing only if no he doesn't answer. Okay. Because we
Yeah,
can't set up the other format in online form. So
yeah, I think
sorry,
so.
Anita.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so
Okay, so let's go to the next question.
yeah,
Or team.
question 4 for team C. Yeah, let ABC be a triangle. There exists a point D on the side AB such that CD is the geometric mean of AD and BD if and only if option A, root over sin A sin B is greater than or equals to sin C by 2. Option B is root over sin A sin B is less than or equals to sin C. Option C, root over sin A sin B is less than or equals to sin C by 2. And option D is root over sin A sin B is greater than or equals to sin C. This is for team C.
I think it's option A.
Why is that? Can you justify your answer?
Because we take the two parts of the triangle ADC and BDC, and then the point point D such that CD is the geometric mean will happen only if it is the angular bisector of ACB. So we take the angle C by 2. So root over sin A sin B should be greater than or equal to sin C by 2.
Do you want to stick to your answer?
not, it's a chain.
Yes.
Okay.
That's not correct. That's not correct.
Okay, she is, since she answered, we
Yeah,
should show the
so
answer.
yeah,
That was
we
the rule,
can't
right?
pass it. Yeah, we can't pass it.
No, there's no pass. There's no pass if she answers. That was the rule.
Yeah, yeah. So it is option C. Since
Let's go to the next question.
yeah. Yeah, let's move to the next question. Question 5 for team B. Yeah. V is an n-dimensional vector space, and let T from V to V be a linear transformation such that rank T is less than or equals to rank T cube. Then null space of T is equals to image of T. Null space option B is null space of T is a subspace of image of T. Null space of T intersection image of T is equals to the zero space, and there exists a subspace W of V such that null space of T intersection image of T is equals to W.
I'm not really familiar with what rank is. This so.
You can think of it as the dimension of the range. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
I don't have an answer.
Okay, let's move to team A.
No, I don't have answer.
Okay. Team F.
Pass.
Team E.
Pass.
Team D.
My answer is C.
Okay, can you justify your answer?
At first, we will consider T as a linear mapping, and we know that rank of T is equal to dimension of IM of T. But here, we also know that IM of TQ is equal to IM of T of IM of T square. In particular, just IM of TQ belongs is a proper subset of IM of T, but that means that the dimension of IM of T is greater than dimension of IM of T cube. And from here we get the inequality gets transformed into equality. Dimension of IM of T is equal to dimension of IM of T cube. But this means that the T given
Yeah,
IM
yeah,
of
he
T
is right. Yeah, it's right.
Yeah.
So my answer is
Yeah, so it is the correct answer, and Team D will be awarded 5 points.
yes.
So Shantan, move to the question 6.
Question 6 for team A.
Yeah, Team A. Let V be the set of vertices of a regular polygon with 20 sides. 3 distinct vertices are chosen at random from V. Then the probability that the chosen triplets are vertices of a right angle triangle is option A 5 by 19, option B 3 by 19, option C 6 by 19, option D 5 by 16. This is for Team A. So
No, I don't have the answer.
the question will be passed to Team F.
Pass.
Team E.
Option A is correct.
Can you justify?
Yes, 20 vertex.
Yeah.
I mean, a regular polygon must be in circle, not an unit circle, one cyclic. So if we choose two vertex, then if we choose one vertex, then the vertex will become a right angle triangle when the other two vertices is diameter of the circle. So so for every point we have some reflection point about vertex, and then we have the choice about 18 points.
Yeah.
And then so three distinct vertices 123, and from the 18 choice
He has answered. You can check.
Okay, Shantan, you can check the answer.
Should I show the answer?
Yeah, he opted for option.
Answered.
So, oh, it's option B. So, Team A. So there is no point for this question.
This is again question for team A.
Yeah, it was question for Team A, but
Again.
okay.
The next
Question.
Okay, now it will A B C D now.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, question 7 for team A. Show the question. For a group G, let Fg be the collection of all subgroups of G. Then which of the followings can occur? Option A, cardinality of G is less than infinity, but cardinality of Fg is not less than infinity. Option B is cardinality of G is less than infinity, but cardinality of Fg is less than infinity. Option C is G is uncountable but Fg is uncountable, and option D is G is uncountable but Fg is countable. So time is up and the question will be passed to team B.
Could you tell me what the mod symbol represents?
It means cardinality,
Um,
number of elements in a set.
okay. No, I don't have an answer.
Okay, to team C.
My answer is option A. If the cardinality of, if G is less than infinity, and A is the only possible option. The others are all not possible.
Why is that?
Like for example, if G was infinite, then it would have infinitely many subgroups. So the cardinality of that set would be infinite. So that is not possible. Similarly, we can say that if G is countable, then cardinality of all the subgroups, that should also be countable. So option A is the only possible thing.
But
I have an answer. Can I say it?
You have a different answer?
Yes.
Say it.
No. No.
My
Wait
answer
a
is
second. The
option
rules.
C.
Wait a second.
Okay. Sorry.
Wait a second. The rules were that we will go alphabetically, not like this.
Okay, yeah. The thing is, since team C has answered it, so the question that we won't take any answer anymore. I think so.
Okay. Sorry.
But you can't.
answer, but no
But you can always
point will be avoided.
answer it. Yeah. Yeah. There is no point. That is
Can
the
I
thing.
just say my answer? I mean, I'm not
Yeah.
considering the mark. Okay. No problem.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes,
Say your answer.
my answer is option C because considering the question, yes. Option A will be possible because G is given as finite, mod G is infinity, and so the f of G cannot be infinite. And why answer C? Option C is my answer because I have an example which is the group consisting of all the finite subsets of n, where n is a natural number, with the group operation being a symmetric difference. The group is countably infinite, but for each finite or infinite subgroup of A, which is a proper subgroup of natural number, there is a subgroup consisting of all the finite subsets of A. So I think C is the answer.
Okay, let's see the
Okay.
answer then.
Yeah, let's see the answer. Okay, so it is C.
Unfortunately, you don't get any marks, but kudos.
Yeah. So question 8 for team B, I think. Yeah,
Question 8 for team C.
B.
C.
Question
I
8 for
have
team C.
answered. It's for me.
It's for team B, I think. Yeah.
No, it's for team C, man.
No, man. Because 7 was for A and 8 will be for B, right?
So yeah, I might be wrong. Whatever. Sorry.
F is a continuous map, real valued continuous map. Also, which of the following statements is false? If A is bounded, then F is uniformly continuous. If F is differentiable and if F dash is bounded, then F is uniformly continuous. Option C is Gx equals to Fx sin x is not uniformly continuous for any F. So it will be
Is it
passed to
C?
team. Okay. C. Shanton, can you show the answer? He has responded. Oh. No, it is option B. Oh, Shanton, let's move to the 9th question for team C. Yeah, it is for team C. There are 10 boxes, each containing 6 white and 7 red balls. 2 different boxes are chosen at random. One ball is drawn at simultaneously at a random from each box and transferred to the other box. Now a box is again chosen from the 10 boxes and a ball is chosen from it. The probability that this ball is white is option A 7 by 13, option B 6 by 13, option C 5 by 13, option D 8 by 13.
Can I answer?
Yeah.
I think it's 6 by 13.
Okay. Can you justify? I mean, say the logic.
Yeah. So first we're exchanging. We're choosing two boxes and then taking one ball and putting it another. So and then the second time when you're choosing box out of the 10 boxes, uh, it is possible. Um, uh, it is possible that we get the same box that we put an extra ball in, or it could be a box that didn't have an extra ball. And using that, we calculate the probability of the exchange ball to be white, and then the final ball being white. Or we can take the exchange ball to be red, and then you take white. And
No, you are not taking one ball out. You are taking two balls out, each from the two chosen boxes. Okay.
yeah,
So
but then
there
if
will
you
be some
exchange them, you
fundamental
can
difference.
you're
I think there
taking
will be a difference in. I think there will be the difference on the cases you are actually considering, because you are taking two balls actually, not one ball. You are taking
you're
one ball each
exchanging
from the
balls
box. Yeah.
basically, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So so we can consider the case where two white balls are exchanged, or one red ball and one white ball is exchanged, and then for the second choosing of one of the 10 boxes, we can take it to be either of them, and then calculate the probability that the second ball, the final ball that you're choosing, is white.
Okay.
So there'll be those possibilities that we'll have to consider.
Okay. Yeah. It's the answer is right. Yeah. Your logic is
Okay, should
correct.
I show the answer?
Yeah. Show the
Yeah.
answer.
Yeah. Yeah. It's correct.
Yeah. So you have given a correct answer, and you will be awarded 10 marks.
Can you say which team it is?
This is Team C. Yeah. So Shayantan, show the uh, question number 10 for Team D. Yeah. Two differential functions f and g satisfies f dash x by g dash x equals to e to the power fx minus gx for all x, and f0 equals to g 2003 equals to 1. Then the largest constant c such that f of 2003 is greater than c. For all such functions f and g is option A log 2, option B 1 minus log 2, option C e to the power minus 2, and option D is 2 into log 2. This question is for team D. Yeah.
Times are
I
do you have
passed
an
this
answer?
one. I passed.
Okay. So to team E.
No, I pass it.
Team F.
Okay. 15 seconds have passed.
Yeah. Team A.
Pass.
Team B.
Pass.
Team C.
No, I don't have an answer.
Okay, so Shantan, nobody is able to solve it, so show the answer. Yeah, the option is A, B. If you take the expressions containing F in one side of the equation and expressions containing G in the other side of the equation and integrate it, then you will get e to the power fx equals to e to the power gx like that, and defining h like that, you will be able to solve the problem. So question number 11 for team E. Suppose x1, x2, x6 are real numbers such that if you take any number randomly, then the number equals the product of the remaining numbers. Number of possible choices of x1, x2, x6 is option A 3, option B 21, option C 33, option D infinitely many. So no answer from team E, or is there any?
Team F.
Hello?
Do you have an answer? Shashank, are you telling an answer?
No, yeah, no sir, no sir.
Okay, so team A, do you have any answer?
Will it be D?
Can you justify your answer?
Um, I just wrote the equations and tried to solve it, and I'm
No, no, no.
getting.
It will not be D.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So
So
when you
team
will
B.
read answer, right?
Can I say the answer?
33.
Yes, sure, sure.
Yeah, 30.
Anik.
Okay, so last question of this round.
Yeah. For team F. Let m be the set of all positive integers that do not contain the digit 9 base 10 if x1 up to xn are arbitrary but distinct elements in M. Find the strict upper bound of summation j from 1 to n 1 by xj. Options are A 71, B 91, C 77, D 80.
Pass.
Pass. Okay. So team A,
No, pass, pass.
team B,
Pass.
C,
I think it's 77.
can you justify?
We'll be taking all positive integers such that they're not equal to 9, 19, 29, so on, so that they don't contain 9. And there'll be other elements, and you're taking n of them, n of the elements which are distinct, and then we're taking their reciprocal and then summing them up. So for every 10 integers, roughly there'll be 9 integers that do not have 9 for like till 89, and then from 99 to 189 it will be so on. So I think if you do that, I'm getting 77.
Are you sure of that?
Yes.
Okay, actually, your idea was right, but calculation went wrong somewhere. It's 80 actually. Okay.
Okay, so the round is over. Shumon, can you please say the scores?
Shuman, if you could tell the score. Shuman, are you there? I guess he's adding up.
Shumon.
Come on.
I think his internet having some problem. I think.
He left. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So
he left. He's joining again. Okay. No, he's back. He's back.
okay.
Shuman, can you tell us the answers? Tell us the scoreboard. There's one elimination.
Okay, so after round 1, team A has 15, team B has 0, team C has 20, team D has 25, team E has 15, and team F is 0. So I think there is a case of tie breaking, like both of team B and team F has scored 0. If I am not wrong. Yeah.
Here actually you have to need the chat box thing like rapid fire actually. So keep your chat box ready, team B and team F. Okay. So I will read out the question and the timer will start then you can answer anytime. Okay. So yeah. So are you ready, team B and F? Right. Yeah. Okay, so Shantan, please show the question. Yeah. Let A be a planar graph with 17 vertices with E, V and F denote its number of edges, vertices and faces. So what is the value of V minus E plus S? 0, 2, 17 and depends on the particular graph. Time starts. You can answer in the chat box. The first one to answer will be selected. Space actually.
Okay, so Shrey answered.
Shrey answered. And he is right.
Yeah.
He is correct. So he stays. Shrey stays and Mr. Sang, I am sorry, but you have to leave. Okay, you can stay actually, but keep yourself muted, okay? Yeah, Shashank, can you hear right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So thank you very much for playing with us. Okay. So,
Thank you,
okay.
sir. Thank you.
Yeah. You can stay muted and just be there. Yeah.
Okay, and I think we will be taking a 15 minutes break, right?
Not 15. It'll be very late. Let's take a 5-minute.
Okay, yeah. So let's take a 5 minutes break and then we will be again here.
7:20.
And just take a walk or something or drink water or whatever.
So can we leave or we have to stay? I mean, we will
Whatever,
rejoin
just come
after.
Yes,
back
yeah.
7:21.
We will.
Will the questions be shown or will it be told verbally?
Both.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, I don't have any idea about groups or linear algebra.
Yeah, in
So
this round, I don't
I
think
think
we don't have such questions. One, two may come, but it won't, I guess. I understand. You are actually in class 11, right? No, you were how?
plus 12.
No, you are 12, yeah, 12. Okay. I understand, but okay. Well, let's see. That's
So I
no
think
options, right? Right, do you have anything to say?
No.
Okay, fine. Okay, so, okay. We'll start at 7:20 later.
Yeah, and from now, Uttaran will host the rest of the quiz. Uttaran Chaudhary, he is from TIFR Bangalore. He will raise the host of the rest of the quiz.
And we have to finish answering the question after you finish the question, right?
After you finish the question, you can write your answer in the chat box, yes.
Oh, okay.
Just write your answer in the, you don't have to answer, I mean, you have to write in the chat box,
Yeah.
but that's it, we'll understand.
Okay. Thank you.
The first one to answer the correct one, they will take theirs.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, you can write A and or B. Okay, you don't have to use one or two. A or B is fine. This question will have actually two options. That's it. Okay, so let's start, right? Okay. Everyone is comfortable with the rules, right? I will ask the question, I will tell the question. Question will also be showed on the screen. Then the timer will start and you can answer anytime in that 30 seconds you want. You have to just answer, I mean, you have to write in the chat box. Okay. And Suman, are you there, right?
Just type the option. A, B.
Yes.
A or B. A or B. Suman, you are there, right? After every question it's ended, you just give a cue, write done or something. Right? Okay, and okay. So let's get started. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you're ready, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see the first question. Okay.
hello.
Shantan, are you there? Okay, Moinak, yeah.
Hello.
Say.
Can
Hello,
you
yes,
say the rules
say.
again? Can
Okay,
you see
I
the
will
room
tell the
sharing?
question.
I'm not.
Yeah. Okay, I will. The question will be showed on the screen, and I will also tell the question. And then the timer will start, and you can answer any time within that 30 seconds. Okay,
Okay.
Shantan, please mute yourself. Shantan.
Yeah, am I making too much noise?
Yes, actually. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so let's see the first question. Yeah. If AKN converges to some fixed A naught for fixed K, then what happens to AN? It converges to A naught, or I can't say. Okay.
I think Shatik was the first.
Yes, so Shatik said the answer correctly. So Shatik gets the point. Okay, so Shuman.
Just mention.
Okay, we're done.
Please mention the team name.
A. Shatik was A.
Shatik was A. Yeah. Shatik was A.
Just Rutron, just ask them that whether there were no problem to answer like this, because
No, I have asked. There was no problem. Yeah, I have asked in the beginning. There have no problem. That's Shuman, if you just. Okay, I will do that. Done. So the question 1 mark is given to Shatik team A. Okay. So let's see the. Wait, just a sec. Let's see the second question, please. The zero set of a non-constant polynomial in one variable in C is closed or open? Okay. Okay, so Moina has an answer. So you are actually correct. Okay. So Moina is actually team E gets the point.
E.
E.
Okay.
Yeah. So okay, now let's see the third question. Let A be the sum of the digits of the number 16 to the power 16 and B be the sum of the digits of the number A. Find the sum of the digits of the number B, 7 or 34. I will just give few seconds extra. Okay, time up. Okay, so no one has answered. So Shantan, if you please show the answer. It's 7 is the answer.
No one answered.
Yeah, no one answered. So 7 is the correct answer. Okay, so no one gets a point. So I will write 1 again. Okay. So just then we go on to the next question. This one is the big one. I1, I2, I1 are the order set of the n positive integers. Okay, C0 is sequence of positive integers, just 1 to n. Okay. Now C1 is just you are replacing that I1 with 1 to up to I1 minus 1. Okay. So now it goes on. Similarly, the sequence Ci is obtained by the transformation Ci minus 1. For example, C0 is 1263, then C1 is just, you just replace. Okay, now let Cs is 1111, some number of 1, with a finite sequence obtained after permuting maximum possible numbers of transformation to C0. Find the number of occurrence of 1 in Cf. So time is up. Okay, Anita, I'm sorry, that's not the correct answer. Okay, let's show the answer. It is no,
She
but
will be getting negative,
512 is
right?
the answer, right?
She will
But
be
512 is
getting
the answer,
negative,
right?
right?
Yes. But 512 is the answer. I
Okay,
guess
no.
typing is wrong.
What she answered?
She 12 is the correct answer. Yeah. So I'm sorry, it's wrong.
So you can ask her that what she answered actually.
No, actually, she has seen the options right. She
Okay,
has given A after saying 522. So, yeah.
Okay.
So, okay,
She will be getting
so.
-5, right?
Yes, negative marks. Yeah.
So what is her team name? What is her
Anita
team
is
name?
team C. Okay. So we move on to the next question. 1 plus A plus B plus C into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C equals to 16. Then what is A plus B plus C by ABC? 6 or 3? Okay. Time's up. Moitro get the correct answer. It's 3. Why it is written C? Okay. The answer is C. 3. Okay. Option B. So you are correct, Moitro. Moitro is actually team D. Okay. So now we move on to the next question. Next question, please. Right. Thanks. What is the digit of the unit plus 2072052? Okay.
Anita.
So you meant what? 1 is the answer, right? Means B. So you are wrong actually. A is the answer. 3.
C will be getting another -5, right?
Yes. Okay, so we move on to the next question. Approximately the number of groups of order 108 is 6 or 9. Okay, time is up. Shakti has answered. Team A is. Why it is written C, I guess. It's 6 is the answer. Okay, he is correct actually. So
Team A gets 10. Team A gets 10, right?
Yes. Shakti gets it. Yeah. So, okay, we move on to the next question. Let alpha beta be real constant, then summation 2 to infinity 1 by n to the power alpha ln to the power 1 by beta is convergent if and only if the conditions alpha greater than equals to 1. Yeah.
Moinak gave the was the first to answer.
Yeah, Moina gave the answer. Okay, so answer is there. Okay, fine. So Moina is team E. Moina
Team E. Okay.
Yeah. So now, okay, let's move on to the next question. Find the domain of the definition of the function 1 by x squared minus 2x to the power half. Okay, time is up. Satvik, you are not actually correct. Moitra is correct. So,
Shatik will be
so
getting a negative
minus
5,
5.
right?
Yeah. So, okay, now let's let it run. Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. What is the last digit of 0 factorial plus 1 factorial after 10 factorial? Okay, thumbs up. Moitra answered. Yes, correct. Team D gets the point.
What is B? B.
Team D,
Team
D,
B.
D.
B.
D, D.
Okay.
Dom. Yeah. Yeah. So, here. So that's it. We got the last question. So here it ends, round 2. So let's check the score, final score. Shuman, please.
Okay.
I think there is a draw.
Yeah.
Between?
No, there is no draw for this.
Yeah,
A got
but
30. Uttaran, you say.
A scored 30, B is 0, C is 10, D is 35, E is 35, and F is still 0.
D
So
is 45, I guess. D is 45.
Yes, because I answered 2 correct and my previous score was 25. So 25 plus 20, 45.
Okay. 45 and E got 35. Right?
okay.
Yeah. So there isn't any draw, right?
No.
No.
Okay, thank you. So we take a break of another 10 minutes maybe. Yeah, actually. Okay, right. Who is the lowest score?
Okay. So its score is 0.
Who?
Was eliminated last round. Which team was eliminated? I mean,
No.
that
No.
Shashank was which team?
No, Shashank is eliminated, right? After that?
Yeah. He was
in this
which
round,
team?
who is eliminated? Was team F.
F.
Okay.
And Shrey
So
is
B is now. B
Now
is
B is
now.
eliminated. Okay. So team B, Shrey, I'm sorry. This, you understand you're very young to tackle these problems. I see. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, just we'll take a break of 10 minutes maybe. Yeah. So this big break, okay. Thanks.
Will we have a break?
Yeah,
Okay.
সনাতন হোয়াটসঅ্যাপটা চেক করিস।
Is everyone back?
So okay, so is everyone ready?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I will do that. Okay. So team A, Shatik is here.
Yes.
Shatik, are you ready,
Yes.
right? Yes. Anita is here. Moitreo, team D.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yes. Team E, Moinak. Team E, Moinak.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is a kind of puzzle round, not too much mathematical. Okay, I will just tell the rules. These problems are less mathematical in nature. You will get 1.5 minutes first to answer. Then you will get a hint and another then 1 minute. Okay, to answer. 10 points is given if answered correctly without hint and 5 points if answered correctly with a hint. No bonus points and there will be one elimination after this round. Okay, so, okay.
I have a doubt. How many questions each of us get to answer?
Okay, you will just get one question to answer.
Okay, without pass.
One each. No
And
passing.
how many questions will be
No
there in
passing.
this round?
Each one. Each one.
One for each.
Okay, sorry, sir. Okay, I understand.
Yeah. Sure. Thanks. Okay, so just okay. Let's get. Okay, I will just start with team A, Shatik. Okay. Okay, so please show the first question. Consider that two players, player A and B, are playing a game of double chess where all the rules are same as chess. The only difference that each player can make two moves consecutively. Let player A make the first move. Then player B has a winning strategy. Player B has no winning strategy. Both players have winning strategies. None of the above. Shatik. Okay, now show the hint, please. Try to use a contradiction. Okay.
Yes, I think it's A.
Why?
Um, if player A moves its center pawns, 2 pawns, then player B can play 2 horses.
Actually, you said A, right?
Yeah.
Actually, the answer is wrong. That's why I'm not asking for the explanation.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, yeah. So I'll just give the answer. Yeah. Actually, the trick is that if you start with A, and let's consider if player B has a winning strategy, then what A will just move the knight back and then forth. Then what is that? B is again
Oh,
starting
okay.
the game renew. Okay, so it's the contradiction. Okay, so there's the point. Okay, one thing I will mention that you have to explain it properly. If also you are correct from the options, it won't give you marks. You have to explain properly. Okay, so now it's next team C, Anita. So next question is for you. After losing your debit card carelessly, you know you have to face your mother, father, sister and your brother after returning home. You will not be meeting all of them at once, but one at a time. You know if you successfully convince that it was an accident, any 2 of them in a row out of the first 3 persons you will meet will not be scolded. Also, you know that convincing your mother and sister, that is chance of convincing both of them are equal and is easier than convincing father and brother. If it is given that you will neither meet mother and sister consecutively nor father and brother consecutively, what sequence of meeting you wish to have after returning home in order to save yourself from scolding? Okay, please show the hint.
Okay.
Okay, you don't want a hint. Okay, anyways, hint
Okay.
has been shown. Hint has been shown, nothing can be done. Okay, see the hint better. Yeah.
Yeah.
One should wish to meet father and brother twice among the first 3 meetings. Okay. Just back to the question, Shanta. So
This is a question for C. Uttaran.
yes, see, yes.
Can I answer?
So yeah, sure.
Yeah, so I would meet them in the following order: father, mother, brother, then sister.
Okay, why?
You are meeting only 3 persons.
No, fine. The order is fine. Okay, tell why you think that.
Yeah, so it says that any two of them in a row out of the first three people I meet, if I convince them, then I won't get scolded, right? So
Right.
if I make the first move and then I know that there is a good chance that I will, if first, for example, if I meet the father first, both are possible that either he gets convinced or he doesn't get convinced. It's just difficult to convince him. So basically, there'll be a slight difference in probability. That's all. So if it happens that I end up convincing him, then if I meet my mother second, then I'll know for sure that I will not get scolded.
Right.
If it happens that I am not able to convince my father, it's okay. Then I'll meet my mother, and then I'll try a different way to convince my brother, and then I'll still have to.
Yeah, actually correct. Fine.
Second
Actually,
meeting is the key.
second meeting is the deciding one. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to second meeting should be easy. I want to just make it sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Stay in the game actually.
Yeah. Okay, Uttaran, please mute yourself. Yeah. So Anita, you are correct. Absolutely correct. So, but you took a hint, right? You didn't tell the answer
I
before
was going
that.
to answer, but okay, yeah, fine.
Okay. So you will get a 5. Sorry. Yeah. So okay. Now. Okay. So now is the question for Team D, Moitro. Question 3. Shanta. Yeah. 8 eligible bachelors and 7 beautiful models happens to have purchased single seats in the same 15-seat row of a theatre. On the average, how many pairs of adjacent seats are ticketed for marriageable couples? Shantan, timer. It started late. Shit. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Is the answer 56 into 2 by 15?
Why? 56 into 2 by 15. Okay.
I have right.
Okay, why?
But you tell the explanation. Give the explanation.
Yeah.
The formula which I'm using is that if we have m, that means I'm considering the general case. If I have m eligible bachelors and n beautiful models, then the required answer will be 2nw divided by m plus w, and the explanation is yes. I'm telling. The chance that the eligible bachelor has a model and the eligible bachelor has a model.
Yeah. Yes.
I mean the expected number of the mixed the expected number of the mixed gender pair is 14 times the probability that the expectation is linear. So
But why? Why is it that? You should explain the reason, because we will not be giving you the marks. You are just using up
yes,
for
yes,
this answer.
the probability that the eligible bachelor, first we have to consider a pair, means eligible bachelor and a model, and then the
Yeah.
probability that the left-hand seat has a eligible left-hand seat of this pair, of this entire pair has a eligible bachelor, and the right-hand seat has a model is 8 by 15 into 7 by 14. As this is the
Yeah, yeah,
probability,
I
and
got
same is the probability that the right-hand seat of the pair has a
Yeah.
uh,
Sure,
this
sure,
one.
sure. Correct.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Right, right. Absolutely.
He will be getting 10, right?
Yeah, he will get a 10. He didn't take any hint, he will get 10.
Yeah.
Very good.
Well done.
It's okay. Now the next question for Team E, Moinak. Okay. Question 4. Data D to Z is characterized in 4 groups. Assume that the font you use here is Arial. Which group should the letter G belong to and also the I belong to? Which group? A hint, please. Back to the question. The hint was use principle of symmetry. So time's up. Poinak, I think you don't have any answer. So we'll just tell the solution. You just have to see the symmetry, that D is symmetry by up and down, symmetric the up down way, and the others few in the diagonal way and few in the left and right symmetry. So G is not symmetric in the any way, so it belongs to the first row, and I is symmetric on the left and right, that's why it's in the last row. Okay. So yeah, so that's the end of this round. And so Shuman, if you could tell the score.
There's a tie.
Okay. Between. Okay, just tell the score.
Team A is 30. Team C is 15.
Okay.
Team D is 45. and team E is 45. Oh, no. Actually, team C is getting eliminated, right?
Okay.
Because there is a elimination round, right?
Yeah.
So yeah,
Team
so
C.
team C
Okay.
is getting.
Okay. Team C, Anita is sorry, you are eliminated with just 15 score.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So you can just okay. So now we just move on to the last round of this quiz. Okay. Here actually 6 topics will be presented to you. Okay. I will just read it out. You have to choose one topic of your choice from the 6 topics given. Okay, high scorer gets to choose the first. Okay. Okay, your choice will be your home territory and other choices will be your away territory. You have to answer one home question and 2 away questions. More than one option can be correct in case of the home questions. Only one would be correct for the away ones. 3 minutes of time will be given for each questions. For home, plus 20 if correct, minus 20 if wrong. For away, plus 20 if correct, minus 20, minus 10 is if wrong. There will be no bonus points. Okay. Okay. So, but we have, that's the point. High scorer is, there is a draw, I guess.
So we'll just
There is no passing, right?
No. Okay, you. So just.
If you don't use any tiebreaker,
Excuse me, actually, I was not in the call for some minutes. Can you please say the scores after round 3? Actually, I did not listen it.
Okay, Uttar, if you could tell the score.
Okay, the scores are team A is at 30, team D is at 45, and team E is at 45.
Both D and E are at 45. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Actually, I think my score will be 55 because before this round my score was 45 and then I got 10 marks in this round. So
you
yes.
are
D. I'm
D.
Okay.
55.
You are D.
I'm D.
D. Dom. Yeah.
But D score was 35 last round.
No.
Sir, because
It's 45. Yeah. Shuman corrected, right? You.
yes, actually there was a confusion
Fine.
and
Fine. Yeah, there was a confusion. Right. It's 55. Okay. So then we don't have any problem with the high score. So just show us the topics. Try to choose your strong point or topic or something. Okay, so Moitra has the highest score, 55. I think you choose the first one.
Algebra.
Okay, you chose algebra. Okay, then Moinak and Shaktik will get 2 away questions of algebra. Okay, now Moinak is on 45. You just choose your topic.
Number theory.
Okay, Moinak chooses number theory. Okay. So other 2 will get 2 away questions of number theory, and Shaktik, please choose your topic.
I would choose probability.
Okay, choose probability. Okay, fine. So we'll start with Moitra, just the algebra one. Okay, first question, home question from Moitra, team D. Yeah, please show the question. Let P be an odd prime and A belong to natural number, then xy is all such that xy is less than P minus 1 and greater than equals to 0. X square minus y square is modulo A mod P. You have to find the number of elements in that set. Moinak, if you could mute yourself. Moinak.
Can I say my answer?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so the answer which I choose is B, 2p minus 1.
Okay, but
So my explanation is so the question given here is we are trying to find integers such as 0 less than equal to x comma y less than p and x square minus y square congruent to 0 modulo p. P divides x minus y into x plus y. So P divides x plus y or P divides x minus y since P is a prime. And for every 1 less than x less than P where P is a prime, we have solution x y
you
equal to x comma.
were taking a equals to 0, right, at first. Means y divides
And there will come 2p minus p couples, and for x equal to 0, there is a unique solution 0 comma 0. And so the answer is 2p minus 1 p.
But okay, let's see the answer. It's C and D, yes. Yeah. It is actually dependent on A and P. Okay. So actually you have to use the multiplicative group of ZP star and XY to X plus Y and X minus Y is an bijection.
I see.
Okay.
So
yeah.
So what we will be getting?
No, you were actually wrong. That's why minus 20.
Is Moinak right?
No, Moitro, team D.
Okay.
Okay, now the first array question of algebra for Moinak. Yeah, sure then. Question. Let V be a finite dimensional vector space over R, f and g be two linear functions over such that whenever fx is greater than 0, then gx is also greater than 0. Which of the following statement is false? Car f subset of car g, car f equals to 0. Okay, just check it out and solve.
I don't know the concept, so I pass the question.
No, okay, pass, okay, you don't have to pass, you don't answer, that will be better. Okay, I will just tell you, means you can try, I don't know, car f is actually the solution of fx equals to 0. Means such that the set of x such that fx is equals to 0. Just give it a try maybe. Okay, if you don't know, it's better to not answer because else you will get a minus 10.
Okay, if he doesn't answer, what he will get?
No, he won't. It's nothing. 0 0. Okay, why not? I guess you won't be able to, I think. Are you able to do anything? I mean, if you don't know, then it's tough.
No, I don't know the concept of.
Uh-huh. Understand. Then okay, let's give him. Okay, just skip this question. Okay, just give him a 0.
Okay, if anyone tries to want
Okay.
to give it, and
Okay.
share their solution.
I'll leave. Okay. Next, we go on to the algebra array. 2 question for Shatik. Second algebra array. Let G be a group of order 77. Then the center of the G is isomorphic to Z1, Z7, Z11, and Z77.
D. Hello.
Okay, explanation please. Yeah. What is the explanation?
Yeah. Yeah. The order is 77, so it is.
Okay, I guess you
Okay.
are not audible.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Tell the
Yeah.
answer. Yeah.
So,
Reason.
seven does not. Yeah. G is abelian. Then GCD of 7 and 11 is 1. From that, we are getting G is isomorphic to D. Yeah. We are using the theorem that G be a group of order, suppose P and Q,
But here
where P
abelian
and Q are
isn't
prime.
mentioned, right? Abelian isn't mentioned. Just G is a group of order 77.
I'm saying
Mm.
abelian because the order of G is 77, which can be written as 7 into 11, and 7 and 11 are prime.
Mm.
7 does not divide 10, which is 11 minus 1.
Right. Actually, that's what needed. Yeah, fine. Cool.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the answer. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the answer. Okay, he gets 10. Not 20, right?
No, 20 or 10, because this is our question.
I have a question. You get 20. Negative
Oh,
is
okay.
less.
Okay, okay.
He will be
Home is
getting
minus
10.
20
Okay.
plus 20. Okay, now I go on to Moinak. Yeah, his home question is from number theory. Okay. Just wait a sec. Okay, the home question for Moinak, please. for any prime number p, a p be the set of integers d belonging to 1 to 99 such that the power of the p is the prime factorization of d is odd, then the cardinality of, find out. This MSQ it is, so understand. So time is up. Moinak, do you have any answer? Moinak.
No, no, I
Okay.
don't remember.
Okay. So he gets a 0. Okay, fine. Plus 0. Mod of AP is equals to box of n by p square, and that's it. And it will satisfy, FED will satisfy this one. So that was the trick. Okay. So now, okay, now the next question is for Shaktik, team A. Okay, number 3, away 1. Okay, so what's the question? Let n be a non-prime. Consider the sequence n, dn, d of n, where dn is the number of divisors of n, including itself. Then the sequence has a perfect square, the sequence has 1, the sequence might not be eventually constant, none of that.
Is this question for me?
Yeah, Shaktik, yes.
Oh, okay. My answer is A.
Okay, what's the reason?
The reason is I'm choosing in the form p1 to the power alpha 1, p2 to the power alpha 2 dot 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 pk to the power alpha k, where p is prime, the prime factors of n.
Okay.
And
Okay.
so the number of divisors of n will be alpha 1 plus 1 into alpha 2 plus 1 dot 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 alpha k plus 1.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say it's
Right.
L. So now
Okay.
we have to count the number of divisors of L, which will be
Right.
we can choose uh, out of this k term only one plus two terms, which is k plus 1 plus k plus 2, kc2 plus dot 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 kck, which will be 2 power k.
Wait, I didn't get that.
Um,
Why are you choosing?
oh, there are k. Okay, okay. There are k divisors of L, alpha I plus 1. Then
Mm, okay. I guess you don't have the answer.
no, yeah, it's unclear.
Okay. So actually, you are correct from the options, but logic is wrong. So yeah. I don't know what to do now. I will give it the wrong, basically.
So
Oh,
so we are giving it minus 10.
10 minus 10. Okay. So now I have two questions. Number 30, I have two questions for Moitro, team D. Okay. So next question, please. How many n are there such that both n and pi n are perfect squares? Oh, time is up. Moitro, you don't have any
No,
answer.
I don't have.
Okay, fine. Okay, you will get a +0. I will tell the solution. That's B. Okay, because if you write the prime factorization of n and also the phi n, you will see that if both has to be a perfect square, then alpha n and alpha n minus 1 both has to be even at the same time. But that's a contradiction. It's just the one. So yeah, possibility is 1 actually the solution. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, now home probability question for Shatik. Yeah. Okay, Shatik probability home question. Just a second. Okay, first question. Home. Consider an unbiased coin which tossed infinitely many times. Let A and be the event that no two successive heads occur in the first n tosses of this experiment. Then which of the following is incorrect? Yeah. Okay, Shatik, time is up. Okay, do you have any answer?
Yeah, no, I don't have any answer.
Okay, you get a +2. Okay, I will just show this answer. +0, sorry.
Yeah.
+0. D and D are incorrect actually. You have to observe that TAN is equals to Fn by 2 to the n, where Fn at the Fibonacci sequence starting with 2 and 3. Okay, and then you do the calculation, you will find that A and C are correct and the rest were wrong. Okay. Okay, now the probability avec first question is for Moitreo. Yeah. Okay, the question. The N passengers for a Bel Air flight in an airplane with N seats have been told with their seat numbers. They got on plane one by one. The first person sits in the wrong seat. Subsequent passengers sit in the assigned seats if they are available, or otherwise in a randomly chosen empty seats. What is the probability that the last passenger find his seat? So time is up.
No,
Maitro,
sir, pass, pass.
pass. Okay. So you get a +0 for this. Okay. It's a bit tedious calculations we have to do. What to say? Means you have to just calculate the choices of the combination. Means just counting. Okay. To do that, and just the option will come n minus 2 by
Oh, I
n
see.
minus
Yes,
1.
yes.
Okay. Just counting.
Okay.
Okay. Sure. So then Moinak, the probability await second question. Okay. The question is, you are given an urn with 100 balls, 50 black and 50 white balls. You pick ball from the urn one by one without replacement until all the balls are out. A black followed by a white or a white followed by a black is called color change. Calculate the expected number of color changes if the ball are picked randomly from the urn. Moinak.
তো দেখতে পুরো হুলো বেড়ালের মতন দেখতে, মুখটা পুরো হুলো বেড়ালের মতন।
Okay, so time is up. So Moina, do you have an answer? Moina.
No.
Okay. Okay, so let's see the solution. It's actually 50. Okay. Okay, there are 99 positions. You just have to define the random variable I at position 1 and so
Sum of
this.
geometric.
Okay, yeah, just calculate the expectation. They are all equal, just add them up and just each expectation is just calculate it will 50 by 99 and just multiply by 99. Okay, that's the answer 50. Okay. So, okay, thank you very much. Okay, now Shumon or Uttan, anyone, please tell us the final scores.
Fine. The scores are Uncut 60 points, Moitrio is on 35, and Moina 5.
Moitrio is 45, right?
35.
35, okay.
35. I'm 35.
And
35 minus 20.
Yeah.
And
Moina?
Moina is on 35 because we haven't scored anything in this.
Okay, so just we have a draw between the second and third, right?
Tie, yeah.
So okay, so what now? Okay. Okay, better we ask a question from the miscellaneous maybe, just to break this tie. Okay,
Could you please tell the score again?
Yeah, I will just tell the score. Okay, Shartik is on 40, Moitreva is on 35, and Moinak is on 35. So there's a draw between Moinak and Moitrev. We'll just okay. Now.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
What? Hello. Yeah.
Yeah.
After round 3, my score was 45.
No. Actually, the thing what happened is in round 4, I gave you the 10 marks which I should have given to Moitrev. That is why Moitrev was having 10 marks short and you were having 10 marks extra. Because your names were not written. So the team names was it confused. So your score was actually 35 and you haven't anything in this round. So it stays 35.
You had 35 only, and round 3 you
Shuman, if possible, you just show the score maybe. Just check the score. So there's Shatik at 40, Moitra at 35, and Moinak at 35. Okay, fine. So okay, let me think. Okay, wait. Okay, just let stars. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm just giving a geometry question to both of you. Okay. Just Shantam, open geometry array 2.
Sir, will we type the answer in the chat box or will we say it in the audio?
Yeah, you just type.
Okay, you type the answer in the
Okay, sir.
chat
Okay,
box.
sir.
Chat box. Yeah. You have
Just
to
type the
also,
answer.
yeah. So array 2, yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Okay. Hey, let's get 3 minutes. Right. Okay, just start it. Yeah. Okay, there won't be any timer. Okay, we don't have any limit. Whoever solves it. We also have to randomize. Okay.
Okay.
But we can't sit back for 15 minutes, right? So we have to end it somewhere. Okay, just let's give 5 minutes maybe.
Anton, your screen is
5
showing the
minutes will be
time,
enough.
8:51. So it will just 1 minute.
Yes, yes.
Your screen is showing time. So let's
Hmm.
see that just
Yes, that will be better. Yes.
Should I show the code?
when it's 8.
Okay. Then, okay. So we're giving 5 minutes for this question, okay? Whoever solves it first, this the second. Yeah. Anybody has any question?
So you open it at 8:52 because then it would be.
Okay. Alright, okay. Oh, just doesn't matter. Whoever answers first.
So whoever answers first, if he's correct, he wins. If he's wrong, he loses. Right?
Yeah.
He
Okay,
is the
sir.
third.
Second
Okay.
and third. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. It's okay.
I will just show the question at 8:52.
Okay. Yeah. ABC is an isosceles triangle with the vertical angle A equals to 120. If the BC is trisected in D and E, what can be said about the triangle ADE? When you're done, just write in the chat box. Okay, Moitra has answered. I'm sorry, Moitra, that's not correct. Actually, equilateral triangle is correct. If you do the angle tracing properly, you will get that top angle is actually 60. So isosceles with a 60 degree is actually equilateral. So basically, Moinak is the second and Moitra is the third. Fine?
Okay. Okay.
So Moinak
Yes.
is second.
Moinak is second. Shatik is first. Okay. So you just write it over there. Yeah, Shatik. Second is Moinak. It's Moitra. Thank you. Okay. So we will just mail you with asking for your posting address, and we will just send you the prices. Okay. Just you have to wait for maybe 5-6 days. Just the time takes to post. That's it. Yeah.
Actually, could you please send the questions to our mail? Is it possible?
Okay, we will just decide. We haven't decided about that. We will just let you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Now I will just end this. I hope you had fun. Okay. So I will just Thank you. And So I will just give the credits to the one. Okay, you are able to see few of us, and there are many other people who are there. Mainly during this question setting, there was Anik from IIT Kanpur. He is also from Maths Department, second year. Shoham Ghosh, he is from IIT Kanpur, Stat Department, second year. And then we have Supranath Sarkar, from IIT Bangalore. IIT Bangalore. Yeah. He was also there. Okay, now else, who am I missing? Okay, do you have anything to say, Anita? Okay.
Yeah, is it possible for us to know our scores in prelims also?
Yeah, okay.
We'll let you know.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Sure. That will do. Okay, now am I missing anyone for the credit? Okay. I hope not. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir, for hosting such a beautiful event. The problems were really amazing.
Okay, thank you very much.
We had fun doing
both the rounds. I mean, the prelims of the entire quiz and this one. Yes, it was quite amazing. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Also, we'd like to, I forgot to mention Shambhav. He is from IIT Kolkata, also second year Maths. Okay, so we are the team. Okay, so just people have started showing themselves so that we recognize them. It's better to show ourselves. Okay, fine. I just request you to open your camera once. That's it. Just whoever. Okay. I will just call your names maybe. Moitra. Okay, I can see you. Anik. Yeah, I can see you. Anita. Okay. I don't see you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Bitan, if you could switch on your camera. I hope you have seen him in the beginning also, I guess. Yes. Bitan is not here, I don't think. Okay, Moina, please. Okay, thank you. Shatik, please. Okay, thank you. Shantan. Yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah. Shashank. Okay, he's not here. Okay. Shrey Ramanujan. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. You come here. You are just young. Yeah, you are just the youngest. Okay, nice. Well done. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Am I missing anyone? Okay. Shumon. Yeah, Shumon. Yeah. Okay. Uttaran Chatterjee. Yeah, we have two Uttaran. I am Uttaran Chaudhary and he is Chatterjee. Okay. So that's it. Okay. So thank you very much. So we just end this over here. And we'll just send you by the mail, ask you for the address and all the questions and everything, scores, what you want. Okay, thank you.
Sir, about that address portion, will we send residential address or?
Yeah.
Yeah, means from your want your price. That's it.
Where you want your the prices to be delivered, you just
okay.
Yeah. You just mail it, reply to that. That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, that's it, I guess. Okay, and thank you very much to Shantan and Shumon. They typed that question and set up everything. They had a hard time doing that. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, and I guess you could understand that Anik was a bit tensed in the starting. So I hope he got a bit of experience. Okay. I hope he won't be that tense the second time he does that. Okay. Anyways, thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
And
bye.
Stay safe.
Yeah,
that's the main thing. Okay.
So
yeah,
yes.
bye.
Bye, sir. Bye to everyone. Good night.
I'm signing off.
Good night.
Yes. Yeah.